Just something else that I've got here that I haven't really shown anybody. You've got this 1969 Viscount Duralvan Caravan. Had that since 2011, so it's been a while, and it's been a slow project. Thinking I might do a little bit on that today. Just finishing off that floor tiles there. I'm not going to walk in there at the moment because I wiped that floor last night so I can get the vinyl floor tiles to stick. So while I'm waiting on my liquid nails, I'm thinking I might get into that. Been working up there in that mezzanine level. So there it is. There's the rest of the floor laid. They're just cheap tiles, but they look pretty good. Really after something pretty much that's just going to hit the water off the floor. And that'll do it. Easy to clean. Matches a bit of the other styling in the van as well. It's a little retro looking. Pretty cool. Bit tricky cutting around the edges, just got to measure it up, but it came up alright. Pretty happy with that.